Ready for an adventure? Let's discover Budapest together. This city is a gem in the heart of Europe, brimming with history, culture, and breathtaking sights. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden treasures, Budapest offers an experience like no other. Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts! Are you ready for an unforgettable journey? Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first big trip, Budapest has something for everyone. Imagine strolling through its historic streets, tasting its delicious cuisine, and soaking in its vibrant atmosphere. I'm so excited to take you on a virtual trip to one of my favorite European cities, Budapest, Hungary. This city is not just about its grand architecture and scenic views, it's about the stories that each corner holds, the people you'll meet, and the memories you'll create. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss out on any of my travel tips and adventures. By subscribing, you'll get the latest updates on the best places to visit, eat, and stay in Budapest, as well as insider tips to make your trip even more special. Now let's pack our bags and set off to explore the magic of Budapest. Don't forget to bring your camera, comfortable shoes, and an open mind. There's so much to see and do, from the bustling markets to the serene parks and everything in between. Budapest is a city that has it all: stunning architecture, rich history, delicious food, and a vibrant culture. You'll be amazed by the grandeur of the Hungarian Parliament building, the beauty of the Buda castle, and the charm of the local street markets. It's a place where you can wander for hours, discovering hidden courtyards, charming cafes, and breathtaking views. Each alleyway and street corner has its own unique story to tell, and you'll find yourself falling in love with the city's enchanting vibe. So, what are you waiting for? Let's explore Budapest together. Get ready to embark on an adventure filled with wonder, excitement, and unforgettable moments. Budapest is calling, and I can't wait to show you all the incredible things this city has to offer. Budapest, as you might have guessed, is actually two cities in one, Buda and Pest, divided by the majestic Danube River. This river, one of the longest in Europe, has been the lifeline of the city for centuries, shaping its history, culture, and daily life. The Enchanting Chain Bridge, one of the most iconic landmarks, connects these two distinct parts of the city, symbolizing unity and harmony. Don't worry though, it's easy to get from one side to the other. Whether you choose to walk, take a tram, or even cycle, the bridges offer a seamless connection, making it convenient for both locals and tourists to explore the diverse attractions on either side. Buda, on the west bank, is hilly and historic. This area is known for its tranquil atmosphere, offering a stark contrast to the bustling streets of Pest. Here you can find a blend of medieval, Baroque, and 19th century architecture, each telling a story of its own. Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets, admiring colorful Baroque houses and grand palaces. The charm of Buda lies in its timeless beauty, where every corner seems to whisper tales of the past. Don't miss Buda Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with panoramic city views. This magnificent castle complex not only offers breathtaking vistas, but also houses museums and galleries that delve into Hungary's rich history and culture. Pest on the east bank is flat and bustling. This part of the city is the commercial and political hub, teeming with life and energy. From shopping streets to vibrant nightlife, Pest has something for everyone. Think grand boulevards, elegant bridges, and impressive buildings like the Hungarian Parliament, a true architectural masterpiece. This Gothic Revival building is not only a symbol of Hungary's political life, but also a testament to its architectural prowess. The Danube River is the heart of Budapest. It flows gracefully through the city, offering scenic views and a sense of tranquility amidst the urban hustle. The riverbanks are lined with cafes, parks, and promenades, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing afternoon. Take a leisurely cruise, especially at night, to witness the city illuminated in all its glory. It's truly magical. The shimmering lights reflecting on the water create a mesmerizing scene, making it an unforgettable experience for anyone visiting Budapest. Budapest's history is as captivating as its scenery. This city has seen it all, from Roman settlements to Ottoman rule and the Habsburg Empire. Explore the Castle District, a treasure trove of medieval streets and historic buildings. Delve into the past at the Hungarian National Museum, showcasing thousands of years of Hungarian history and art. For a poignant experience, visit the Shoes on the Danube Bank, a moving memorial honoring the Jewish victims of World War II. Budapest's history is complex, but it has shaped the city into the unique and fascinating destination it is today. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Hungarian cuisine is hearty, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Start with goulash, a rich and flavorful stew that's a Hungarian staple. Don't miss out on chicken paprikash, a creamy and comforting dish that will warm your soul. And for a sweet treat, indulge in a slice of Dobos tort, a layered sponge cake with chocolate buttercream and caramel. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Be sure to visit the Great Market Hall, a bustling indoor market where you can find fresh produce, local delicacies, and unique souvenirs. Section 5. The Rhythm of the City, Budapest's Cultural Heartbeat. Budapest is a city that pulsates with creativity and artistic energy. From classical music to contemporary art, there's something to inspire everyone. Catch a performance at the Hungarian State Opera House, a stunning example of neo-Renaissance architecture, and experience the magic of opera or ballet. For a more intimate setting, head to the Liszt Ferenc Academy of Music, renowned for its exceptional acoustics and talented musicians. Explore the city's many art galleries and museums, showcasing everything from traditional Hungarian art to contemporary masterpieces. Don't miss the Museum of Fine Arts, home to an impressive collection of European art spanning centuries. Section 6. Beyond the Beaten Path, Budapest's Hidden Gems. While the main attractions are certainly worth visiting, venturing off the beaten path reveals a whole new side to Budapest. Discover the Jewish Quarter, a neighborhood brimming with history, culture, and trendy cafes and ruined bars. Explore the quirky shops, sip coffee in a hidden courtyard, and soak up the unique atmosphere. Escape the city buzz with a visit to Margaret Island, a green oasis in the middle of the Danube. Rent a bike, have a picnic, or simply relax by the fountain and enjoy the tranquility. Section 7. Indulge your senses, thermal baths, and coffee culture. Indulge in one of Budapest's most famous experiences, a visit to its thermal baths. These baths are not just a place to relax, but a cultural experience that connects you to the city's rich history and traditions. Imagine soaking in warm, mineral-rich waters while surrounded by stunning architecture and the vibrant energy of locals and tourists alike. The city is built on a network of thermal springs, and bathing in the mineral-rich waters is a tradition dating back centuries. These natural springs have been used for their medicinal properties since Roman times, and today they continue to offer a unique way to unwind and rejuvenate. Whether you're looking to soothe aching muscles or simply enjoy a leisurely soak, Budapest's thermal baths provide the perfect escape. Relax and rejuvenate at the Széchenyi Thermal Baths, one of the largest medicinal bath complexes in Europe. With its neo-Baroque architecture and expansive outdoor and indoor pools, Széchenyi offers a truly immersive experience. The baths are open year-round, so you can enjoy a warm soak even in the chilly winter months, making it a must-visit destination no matter the season. With its grand architecture and numerous pools, it's an experience not to be missed. The Széchenyi Thermal Baths feature 18 pools, including thermal, swimming, and immersion pools, as well as saunas and steam rooms. Each pool offers a different temperature and mineral composition, allowing you to explore and find the perfect spot to relax. The grandeur of the setting, combined with the therapeutic benefits of the waters, makes for an unforgettable visit. Budapest is also a city that loves its coffee. The coffee culture here is vibrant and diverse, reflecting the city's rich history and modern influences. From traditional coffee houses that have been serving locals for generations to contemporary cafes that embrace the latest trends, there's something for every coffee lover. Take a break from sightseeing and cozy up in one of the city's many charming cafes. These cafes are perfect for relaxing with a cup of coffee, enjoying a delicious pastry, and watching the world go by. Whether you're in the mood for a classic espresso or a trendy latte, Budapest cafes offer a welcoming atmosphere and a taste of local life. From traditional coffee houses to trendy third-wave cafes, you'll find the perfect spot to enjoy a cuppa and a slice of cake. The city's coffee culture is a blend of old and new, with historic cafes offering a glimpse into the past and modern establishments showcasing innovative brewing techniques. No matter where you choose to go, you're sure to find a cozy corner to relax and savor the flavors of Budapest. Section 8. Budapest After Dark, a city that never sleeps. As the sun sets, Budapest transforms into a vibrant and exciting city. From lively ruin bars to sophisticated jazz clubs, there's something for everyone. Experience Budapest's unique ruin bar scene, housed in abandoned buildings that have been transformed into eclectic and atmospheric bars. Each ruin bar has its own distinct personality and charm, so be sure to visit a few. For a more sophisticated evening, catch a live jazz performance at one of the city's many jazz clubs. Budapest has a long and rich jazz history, and the music scene is as vibrant as ever. Section 9. Keep the adventure going, more Budapest awaits. And there you have it, a glimpse into the magic of Budapest. From its stunning architecture and rich history to its delicious food and vibrant culture, Budapest is a city that will capture your heart. Don't forget to check out my website for more travel tips and inspiration. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming adventures. Until next time, happy travels!